We will not be burning the house down today.
We will be looking at the reaction of metal and fire. Here we have iron powder. Iron is very hard to burn, but in small amounts it
Sparkly!
What other reactions can we make?
Dude, I'm the hottest.
No, I'm hotter than you.
Dude, I'm way hotter.
I'm obviously hotter than you.
Have you ever wondered how wildfires are made?
What's wildfire?
It's from Game of Thrones.
What's Game of Thrones?
It's yeah, I don't know either.
Well, I think we can make wildfire with sulfate copper.
Okay, let's do it then.
Okay, so first you gotta get the stick and dip it in wax. Now put it in the sulfate copper. Okay, now put it back in. And now put it in the water. Now put it on the flame. And voila! It's green fire.
Fun.
Dude, I'm the hottest.
No, I'm way hotter than you.
Dude, I'm hotter.
I'm obvious.
I feel the need
For speed.
Dude, I'm the hottest.
No, I'm hotter than you.
No, I'm hotter.
I'm obviously hotter.
Guys, listen. Definitely magnesium is the hottest. It's one of the world's most brightest and hottest burning metals.
Now that's hot.
Okay.
And that's it for Side Time!
I just want to thank our viewers and I want to thank all our special guests for this video.
Smash that like button.
And subscribe, most importantly. But we will see you in the next episode of
Side Time!
That's it.
I'm gonna vomit on you.